that's healthy. Now, going on to the CCWs, there was an earthquake last week when the Supreme Court announced they're overturning a 100-year-old rule from New York State. It was about how states regulate CCWs, or concealed carry weapon permits. And so to simplify in the easiest language possible the impact of the Supreme Court decision, it eliminates the regulatory scheme in California, New York, and all the other states. I think there was a total of 13 states where it was the state legislator and state law required a good cause standard. And some counties were issuing a shall issue standard, and most of the very large metropolitan areas were a good cause standard, and we were one of those good cause standard for decades. Well, now we are retooling our operation to a shall issue standard, and so bear with us while we go through it. We're already seeing an increase in applications being submitted, and we'd already moved in that direction since I took office. And right now, the total that we've issued is 3,145, and we have another 1,364 pending. So our output is increasing, and we're going to be working in partnership, Lord willing, with our surrounding police agencies to assist them in the process, or they can provide personnel to our operation, and we'll scale it upwards to handle the increased load. And I think when it's all said and done, if we're comparing our numbers to the surrounding counties, they might have anywhere from 8 to 10,000 shall issue permits in a county of maybe 1 or 2 million. So we're probably looking at something in the neighborhood of 50 million, or not 50 million, 50,000 CCW permits in LA County for a population of 10 million. And still requires the training requirement, the background check. You can't be subject of a restraining order, mental illness, or obviously convicted felon, those type of things that disqualifies you. All right, so the process is still there. We're gonna retool it, get more involved, or absent the personnel, we're going to defer back to the cities themselves. So the chiefs of police of the cities will have to do the process themselves. All right, so we'll see how that works out. So we're reaching out to the LA County Chiefs of Police Association and see how we can work out the logistics on this to facilitate the process for everyone involved. And for those who are opposed to the entire concept of CCWs and are extreme anti-Second Amendment, I don't know how you describe it, or against CCWs, it's moot, really, because now our job in the executive branch of government, which obviously law enforcement includes, we enforce the law. We don't either write the law or interpret the law. We have to enforce the law as it's written and is interpreted by the courts. So that's the deal, the cards we were dealt with, and we're moving forward with that regard with lightning speed. All right, so now